On the ground and everything. I thought it was gonna be a little path, nice clean path. No.
Which way you want to go? I'm gonna step on the side.
I'm gonna step over here. Oh no, you smart. I'm stepping your way.
A whole lot of mud. You need my hand?
No. Step right in it.
Yeah, look like you can go all over and get lost.
Yes. We can go that way.
Come on.
We can follow the paint.
You scared to go to the left, huh?
It don't matter. I was just trying to.
Let's go to the left. See what's over there.
Okay. Make sure you're looking down, because people be walking their dogs out here. At least I hope it was dog poop, because it was giving another animal out there. I hope that's dog poop. I'm hearing stuff. I was trying to zoom in on that spider, because that thing was spinning a web right over our heads. I don't know. We went to bust a U-turn. And we sure did bust that U-turn. We went to a completely different trail. This one make more sense. It's huge. You gotta do 4.
4?
Yep. With the backpack on your back. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, we gotta go. We finna get it up. We should have got some bug spray.
Hey, you recording it?
Yep. You wanna record on your phone too? Okay. Okay. Now you gotta do 2 more after this, because that was too easy. 1 more for good luck. 1 more, because you're getting weak. Okay, 1 more. Alright, just kidding, 1 more. Okay, there you go. Yeah.
How much that was, like 10?
I don't even know.
Baby, just do it.